Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make moving sticker in CapCut PC. So for instance, select the video or photo that you want to edit, go to sticker and select sticker you like. For example, so how to make the sticker move. Alright, I'm going to add the keyframe. Select keyframe button and you can move to the right and you can move the object, move the sticker and do as before. Until the end of the clip, and as you can see, alright, so you can see PowerPoint how to select this. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.